नमस्कार दोस्तों, जय सूत्रा पर आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। वंस अगेन वेलकम टू यू ऑल एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द स्किल टेस्ट syllabus of electrical engineering technical assistant. You can use this for isro as well as any other examination also, because the syllabus are almost same. Okay, so because so much people are commenting in comment box, please give the electrical engineering a skill test syllabus, as well as so much people have personally mailed me also. So before going to a skill test syllabus, as you, if you are the new in this channel, you should know who are I. So about me, I am just I am working as a scientist in isro. My name is JP Narayan. So I will give my profile ID in the last of this video slide, so you can check there. So first I will request you, please don't escape the video, because so much people are just simply mailing me, sir please send me a skill test syllabus PDF copy, PPT copy, like that. So just I want to tell you all the friend, to know the just PowerPoint to having a keeping thing is not important. You should know what is the inside the content. As you know, when you are going in classroom, you should listen your teacher what they are telling, because so much things that is not given in their notes, books, the things which told by teachers. Okay, so keep it in mind and watch full the video will be not so much length, but just go through all the point what I am going to tell in this video. Okay, so let's come the PowerPoint number second. This is usually a same quotes I am repeating. Okay, so the quote is, if you believe in what you are doing, okay, if you are believe in what you are doing, then let nothing hold you up in your work. Much of the best work of the world has been done against semi impossibility. This thing is told by Dale Carnegie. मीन्स दिस इज टेलिंग, इफ आई टेल इन हिंदी, मीन्स अगर आप जो भी कर रहे हैं उस पर आपका पूरा विश्वास है, आपकी पूरी फेथ है, अपने आप विश्वास है, तो आपके काम को पूरा होने में या आपके काम को ऊपर जाने में कोई नहीं रोक सकता। अगर आप दुनिया में देखा जाए तो दुनिया का बेस्ट वर्क, मतलब अच्छा से अच्छा काम तभी हो पाया है जब स्टार्टिंग वो लगता था कि नहीं हो पाएगा, बहुत इम्पॉसिबल है. But why this all the things completed? Because the people who are doing same work, that great work, are always kept believe in herself या himself. So before going to crack any examination, my dear friend, if you are going to do anything in your life, first of all the thing, you should keep a belief in yourself. Because as you know, if you having a good belief in yourself, you having self discipline, self commitment and self belief, then you can do any work, you can complete any impossible task. As you know, people are telling, as a courses, also very famous course is there, means a well begun is a half work done. मीन्स अगर आप अच्छा शुरुआत करते हैं, अगर आप अच्छे से तैयारी करते हैं और आप पूरी तरह से ईमानदारी से प्रयास करते हैं, ट्राई करते हैं, देन योर हाफ ऑफ द वर्क तो हो ही जाता है. तो चलिए, दिस इज द मोटिवेशन पार्ट ऑफ द दिस वीडियो. नाउ वी विल कम टू द व्हाट माय एजेंडा वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इन दिस वीडियो. ओके, तो फर्स्ट you should know, before the skill test in ISRO, any of the organization, earlier personal interview was there. So they are actually taking the technical interview. You can tell the group discussion, everything are there if you go in PGCLs or any other PSU. But mostly in ISRO, DRDO and BRC, they having earlier, before 2016, interview for all group B, C and D post. But due to various reason, from 2016 government had removed this interview. So now only one thing is remaining after the written test, that is only the skill test. Okay, so what is the skill test? As you know, a skill test, the people who are going to take a skill test to you, they are ascertaining your working knowledge in your domain area. Means suppose you are an electrical engineer, they want to check you having a working knowledge in your electrical area or not, or otherwise they will check you are a practical guys or a just theoretical guys. Means आप रट्टूमल तोते तो नहीं हो, या सिर्फ रट करके आप आ गए वहाँ तक। तो जस्ट दे वांट टू सी यू शुड हैव द प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज इन योर area, means electrical engineering, as well as when they are giving some work assignment practical, then here you have to work independently. Nobody are going to come in that skill test examination to help you, since so from this skill test they are also checking your ability to work independently, because as this is examination and pressure is always there, so work independently with under pressure. So this all the the things they are going to discuss for you. So electrical guys, once again I'm telling, don't escape this video, first watch full video, then you can request me with these all the PowerPoint or whatever. I will tell how to get this PowerPoint in the end of the video. Okay, so let's come next slide. So as you know, till now we have seen so much skill test video of my channel. The same thing is there. Pattern of a skill test is 3 steps. So when after the written test examination qualification, when we will go any of the ISRO center in examination hall of a skill test examination place, first they will have a table where so much equipment have kept, like ammeter, voltmeter, means you can whatever you can assume maximum electrical equipment will be kept on a table. They can tell you, identify this all the equipment, write the specification, what is the working limitation, and they can ask some of the question about any of the equipment. So this may be first questions. After they have a same thing, the question will be kept on a table, anywhere a cardboard, where all are kept in a folded paper, where question paper will be written. Okay, so just like your lab diploma lab examinations, they will be they will tell you choose any of the paper, folded paper from there. So same as your BTech or diploma examination, whatever available there, like that we are choosing the question a lottery method. Same lottery method you will choose only one question. And as you know, in our examination diploma or BTech, we requesting to teacher, if any tough question will come, sir please change the question. So they are changing sometime often, but in this examination, one, if you are choosing any of the folded paper, whatever question inside there, that is final, they will never change the question. So be sure, sometime it will come very easy experiment, sometime it may become a difficult experiment for you. Okay, so all the things, what are the experiments should will come, we should expect, that I will going to discuss here. Okay, so in that, so once you have choose the question paper, inside there may be a theoretical explanation questions, a drawing and calculation question, a practical, after the writing the theoretical examination, theoretical explanation, drawing conclusion, and you have to do workshop, practical experimental, a demonstration, and sometime in between they will ask some of the questions like viva. Okay, so time is generally given 2 hours for electrical persons, 3 hours some of there, if some they have given very practical things like motor binding, these all the things, but that is not a case here, but mostly 2 hours they will give. Okay, mostly center. Okay, so now you will come marking pattern, total 100 marks or a 300 marks question will be there, that depend upon the center, and qualification marks is 60% of full marks. So 30%, 30 question will come here, identification of devices 30%, and 70% will come here, 90 I written by wrongly. Okay, 70% question is your practical, 70% marks. Sometime some question, some center will give 10% only identification of device, and 90% of the marks from your practical. So practical, doing experiment, demonstration, and finally we have to show what are going have done in practical to your examiners. Okay, so this is the very important things. 90% marks contain your practical work, you are doing successfully experiment or not. Okay, so let's go to the next things. As you know, you have seen in advertisement or call letter, that is go no go. What is the go no go? Okay, I told a skill test is either 100 marks or 300 marks. Suppose out of 100, if you are getting the 60% marks, means 60 marks, or out of 300 you are getting 180 marks, then only you will be allowed for going selection process or merit list. Otherwise, if you are getting less than 60% mark, get out from ISRO and go home and prepare again for next examinations. Okay, so this is the go or no go. If you are getting 60% marks, then go for the selections. If you are not getting the 60% marks, no go for selection. So this is the meaning of go no go process. Okay, now a skill test qualify guys who having the highest marks among, now suppose 10 people have qualified the skill test. Okay, now suppose 10 people have qualified the skill test. Okay, now 3 posts only available for job. Okay, so now what they will do, among this a skill test qualify guy, they will make a merit list like first, second, third, fourth, fifth to 10, like based upon highest marks getting, whom are highest mark getting in written test. Now it is clear, suppose first people get it out of 100 85 marks, second 83 marks, third 81 marks, fourth 73 marks, 5 78 marks, third 68 marks, like that. But now they have made merit list according to written test marks among from where the people who have qualified the skill test. Now see, only 3 posts there, who will selected? Top 3, first to top 3 people only will selected for a job. Okay, so my dear friend, I am telling once again, written test is importance for getting job in ISRO, not a skill test. A skill test is a only to get to only means will come in picture when once you have written test qualified, and if you qualified a skill test also, if you are not having highest mark in your written test, will not get the job. So a skill test is a merely a just superficial things, means just a formality. You are passed the skill test, but you are not having the highest marks in the written test examination, will not get the job. Okay, so if you are have very high marks in written test examination, then it is a highly chance you will pass the skill test also, because you have a sufficient knowledge in electrical engineering, then only will pass the written test in with high flying color. Okay, so please my dear electrical friend, please top in written test first, then think about a skill test. If you are not topping in written test, suppose 20 post is there, 3 post is there, then to try to come in 20%, 20 people in top written test marks. If 3 post is there, try to come in top 3 in your written test marks, then only you are going to get the job, otherwise you will not get. Okay, so now the 3 part of a skill test I want to tell you for electrical guys. You should know electrical machine pakka, you should know electrical measurement pakka, and you should know electrical and electronic circuit. These 3 subject is very essential for the skill test part. Okay, so level of a skill test, if suppose same thing arranged in ISRO center office, that level will come medium. But if these skill tests are going to held in engineering college or if any polytechnic college, then it will be slightly tough session, means it will have some, because everything available in college na, so they will give a very good and tough questions. But if you are arranging a small ISRO center, then it may be medium questions. Okay, now we came on the skill test syllabus. Okay, now main agenda is there. This is the syllabus for your skill test, my electrical guys, dear friend. I already told time maybe 2 to 3 hours anyone, and marks 100 or 3 marks. The first syllabus is identification of component along with their value. I already told, suppose some resistor, conductor or something is put in here, so they will tell what is these things, either capacitor, resistor, conductor, circuit breaker, what are there. You have to write their specification, what is their specification, what is the operating limit, what is the your breakdown voltage, everything you have to write. So this is the first part. Secondly, identification of different tools, explain their uses. Suppose so much tools written, like suppose meter is kept, ammeter is kept, some oscilloscope is kept. Okay, they will tell what is the use of meter. Okay, so first you should tell this, you have to write on paper only. So first what is written meter, what is the usage, you have to write the usage, what is the specification write, what is the operating like that. So second is the, now calculate and measure series and parallel combination of RLC circuits. They can give a L, a C and a L or a C, any circuit they will give you. Okay, they will give some of the AC voltage, DC voltage. They will tell, calculate and marriage the combination of RLC. What is the resonance of this circuit? What is the total impedance of the circuit? What is the current drawn in this circuit? What is the phase angle of this circuit? What is your, you can tell the phasor diagram of this circuit. So you can you have to calculate. Okay, fourth is a starter. So you should know pakka with the starter at least. So star delta conversion, what is there, connection what is there, star delta starter what is there, direct online connection is there, what is there. So you have, they can give anyone, you have to make by that that devices. They will give anything, they will give you inductor, they will give you capacitor, they could whatever required things here they will give you, and you have to make, then you have to make the connection on printed circuit board. Either they will give the breadboard, you have to make there, and otherwise they have a trainer kit also. You have to connect all the connection there, and then you have to explain their application what is there. You have to make the curve also. So fifth is their measurement of power, load current, energy calculation of given motor circuit demonstrate. So suppose one motor circuit will be there, you have to measurement what is their power, what is their load current, what is their energy calculation, everything, what is their characteristic equations, everything you have to done if suppose this question will come. Okay, so next explain the different type of the transformer, protection relay and their operation. Okay, they will take you one transformer, they will tell what is the protective devices, what is the protective relay. They can take you in a switch art circuit, you can tell the powerhouse complex. They will tell, they will tell, identify which is relay, which is the circuit breaker, which is the protective devices, and we have to tell about, and we have to calculate whatever the thing they will tell. Okay, then power factor correction for capacitor, calculation for improvement of power factor, like that. Regarding this experiment they can give you. Okay, so series and parallel connection of batteries, they will take you a battery bank unit, they will tell connect the series, connect the parallel. They will tell what is the usage of series, what is the parallel, what is the series parallel usage. Then they will tell measure the voltage capacity of given configuration, ampere hour, and what is the maximum usage capacity. They can give you these all the things. Okay, so next is wiring estimation and calculation. Sometime they will give you some bulb, fuse bulb or something, they will give a tube light or something, they'll give a halogen or something, they can give a dynamo or something, a small motor unit. They will tell you, they will give all the equipment required, they will tell you connect these all the wiring diagram and just start the circuit with a starter or with any fuse, everything like. Yeah, suppose they will tell you a small unit, they will tell you make a wiring diagram for to run this tube, like that they can tell you. Okay, so now wiring the lamp circuit, I already told, they can tube, lamp, halogen, anything they can give you, and they will tell you that just wire it with first phase, second phase, third, three phase circuit, anyone, and they will give you to wiring of that lamp circuit. Okay, so this are the first slide of the skill test syllabus. Now this, so my dear friend, whatever point is there, you have to these all the things you have to read, you have to do your practical, you have to revise your practical notebook, and you have to go. Okay, so now the next is they can give you construction of motor circuit with necessary protection and demonstrate. They will give a motorcycle like the armature, they will give open armature, these all the things. They can tell you how these armature is there, where is input, where is output, if any fault is there, they will tell what is the fault here. Okay, so these all the things. Now simplest thing, they can give you a diode, they can give you a capacitor, they will tell you make a half wave rectifier, a full wave rectifier, a bridge wave rectifier, and they can give you a general diode, they will tell you make a general voltage regulator and filter circuit. So this is the easiest thing. Mostly they are asking every examination this question. Okay, so now identify different type of transformer. Okay, so much transformer will be there kept in that lab or any switch art. So like the current transformer, they can keep three phase transformers, one phase transformer, like so much transformer is there na. They can tell you, explain their usage and tell their rating, these all the things. Okay, so now small things, microcontroller, they can give a trainer, they will give a trainer kit of the microcontroller. They will tell you any add to number, या multiply two number, या divide two number, like that programming they can give you a compare to greater than or equal to the number, like that programming they can give you. So microprocessor programming, microcontroller programming is also essential for electrical guys. Okay, now interfacing microcontroller with a peripheral device like LCD device, they can give a microcontroller, they will take a LCD displays like 7 segment display they will give you, and they will tell you, suppose you have to their they will tell you just display 0 to like to 7 and 0 to 5, whatever they will tell you. So you have to make interface with microcontroller, you have to display like that. They will give a trainer kit, everything, don't worry. Now the easiest thing, they are also mostly asking so much examination here. Okay, so building gates, they will give IC, they will tell you make a NAND gate, OR gate, GAN gate, like 7400 is a NAND gate IC, 7404 is a NOT gate IT, like that IC they will give you. So you should know the IC configuration, where is the, like that you will see a IC, you will get like that. So pin is there, all the 14 pin like that. So you should know where is a VCC, where is a ground, where is the input, where is the output, which gate inside in that IC, like that you should know everything. They will give a IC, otherwise trainer circuit they will tell you build a NOR gate, NAND gate, anything, and flip flop or counter. So knowledge about different discrete IC you should know. Okay, so now the calculate the Thevenin equivalent circuit, NOR equivalent circuit, they will give a trainer kit, they will give a different resistance and conductance, capacitance value, and some voltage source. They will tell calculate the Thevenin equivalent voltage, Thevenin equivalent circuit. Okay, so now 18 number is given, the calculate the resonance frequency and Q factor of the given series and parallel resonance circuit. I already told, they will give the series parallel resonance circuit, they will tell calculate the resonance frequency, Q factor of the given series circuit and parallel resonance circuit. So these all are circuit theory, your lab network theory lab practical only. Okay, so now they can give you identify and usage of different test equipment like multimeter, power scope, insulation tester, earth tester. These all the things they will tell you. They will give a faulty line, a faulty circuit. They will tell you measure the you equipment, insulation, measure the resistance, measure the power factor, anything they can do. So my dear friend, this is the skill test of the ISRO technical assistant electrical. This you can use any of the examination, the same skill test will be there, same of the types. Okay, so now at the last I want to tell you, as I already made for electronics and mechanical engineering a telegram group where we are discussing so much thing, we are conducting the test series. So if all the electrical candidate who is my channel and who is seeing the first time, please subscribe this channel, then like this video and share with your the friend, junior, senior who is in your contact. After that I want to request you all the people, please join this group I have made for a specific for all electrical guys. So join this telegram group electrical point. If you will join there, I will tell you, if suppose you people become more than the 50 people and 50 to 100 people, I will start that more than 50 people, I will start the test series for you electrical guys also. Okay, so once again I want to request my dear friend, please join this telegram group electrical underscore point, we will start test series for you in future also, if you all they want. Okay, so now this is the skill test syllabus, my dear friend. So as you know, a skill test, the secret I want to tell you, everything they will give by ISRO, no need to have to take. Okay, but when you are selecting for a skill test, they will give you to and fro sleeper class rail fare. So after coming to a skill test center, you have to provide a Xerox copy, and before going to a skill test syllabus, you have to give a Xerox copy of your original ticket. Okay, and keep your carry your bank passbook Xerox copy for tea allowance, and you maybe have to 2 days, make your mind, you have to stay in 2 days minimum, and carry original document all, because they will verify. And if you are having scheduled caste, OBC, any other unreserved category caste, means economic weaker section, please make a new caste certificate for verification, and take all one set of Xerox copy of your original document, and go with original document a minimum 3 passport color side photo. Okay, and reach on the time on the center, no hurry. So like that's there. And for I want to recommend you, if you want to clear the skill test, please arrange any lab notes of any student of the diploma, a lab manual of the diploma, or go through your diploma lab notes. Otherwise you will consult with junior senior who having your diploma notes of the a laboratory video, and watch all the video equipment relating to the skill test, machines, working principle on YouTube. You gain a knowledge. Otherwise just go your college, any other nearest college, you tell me I want to give the skill test of the isro, so they will, you go visit once any electrical engineering lab and see all the machine and lab equipment and try to learn from their practical aspects of instrument and tools, and google with lab, watch the lab YouTube video. And if this all the things is not available, is not, at least go any market, you join for 10 to 15 days any electrical workshop like machine by your machines, electrical machine wiring, dynamo wiring, these all the things they will learn the basic from their shop. At least they will give you a proper guidance and you can clear the skill test. Okay, so now this is the skill about a skill test of the electrical engineering. And if any of the doubt you having, please contact me of my Instagram, that jpnisro at Instagram of jpnisro, and Facebook I have, you can search me of jpsc12, and Quora you can read my answers, Twitter jpsc12, you can follow me, blog this is my wordpress.com, and you can join with me LinkedIn also jpnisro, or anything you help required, please email me on JaySutra4you@gmail.com. And the serious candidate who have watched full the video and they want the if they are clearing the written test, if they want after clearing the written test, after attending the written test, if they want the electrical engineer skill test syllabus, you can mail me here, I will send you, provided you should clear the written test also. And after that you will clear the written test, I will send a material for skill test also. Okay, so all the guidance I will give you the telegram group which I had made electrical point, you go and join there. So that's it, and please any request you can do me JaySutra4you@gmail.com, and please follow me on this Instagram of JP Nasaro, and please subscribe my channel if you are new, watch my video, all other video watch which I having for a strategy for preparing the ISRO. I already have made a different playlist, you can go there and browse and you can watch. As well as if you having a new subscriber, subscribe me, tell me your electrical friend also, so they can also benefit from my video. So thank you once again, thank you very much to coming and watching my video, and please subscribe, share and like. So thank you very much.